Now I leave the sardines. Now I take the sardines.
You leave the sardines and you put the receiver back.
I put the receiver back.
And you leave the sardines.
And I leave the sardines.
You leave the sardines.
Oh, it's another bathroom!
No.
Always trying to get me into bathrooms.
I mean in here.
Woo! Black sheets.
It's the Edding cupboard. This one. This one.
Oh, you're in a real state. You can't even get the door open. Well, I'm not blind. I can see Selston. Selston!
Oh my God, he's here all the time.
Standing there like Hamlet's father.
My word, Selston, you gave us quite a surprise. We thought you were, not there. I can't come to bed. I'm glued to the tax demand.
Darling, put the sardines down.
All right.
Darling, I'm glued to the sardines.
Darling, don't play the fool. Get that bottle box poison in the downstairs loose. That ain't through anything.
I've heard of people getting stuck with the problem, but this is ridiculous.
Oh, a good old fat plate of sardines.
What did she say?
A good old-fashioned plate.
A good old-fashioned plate of...
Sardines!
And curtain.
Gary, my sweet.
She may have said a leg over. Oh, and here he is.
Are you all right?
What does he say?
He's not saying anything at all, my sweet.
Oh, very sensible. Only snowing up again.
Darling, why did you lock the door?
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I didn't lock the door.
Someone locked the door.
Anyway, we can't stand here like this.
Like what?
In your underwear.
Okay, I'll take it off.
In here.
This is ridiculous!
What? Oh, no, Bob! They ought to be prosecuted. It's nice to hear a bit of shouting and screaming around you. All this silence gets you down.
Oh, darling, I'm finding such lovely things. Do you remember this China tea set?
And curtain, perhaps.
Her interest is definitely aroused.
That's not the bedroom.
The bedroom? No, that's the downstairs bathroom in WC Suite. And this is the...
Sardines, dear, sardines.
Hi.
She's not really here. You went to the bedroom.
No.
At least put your dress on.
I'm not going back in there.
I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quickly, and let's get out of here.
Your dress is gone.
Oh no! I'm never going to see Basingstoke again.
Don't panic. It's a perfectly rational explanation.
What's he saying?
He's saying, last line.
That's right, Peter. When all around is strife and uncertainty, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned plate of... What?
And curtain.